Hey loves, how are you all doing? It's Catherine and Adobe here again with a new episode on the Back to School series. For easy access of this series, please check the playlist on this channel. There you will see a playlist titled Back to School. Today I'll be showing you all how I made this beauty right here. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, why not grab your tools if you're already in the process of making this hair on your little one, or grab your popcorn if not. And with no further ado, let us get into this video. Adobe's hair was washed and moisturized the previous day, so right now I will moisturize it yet again with this castor oil hair cream and the Royal Kids leave-in conditioner. I'll evenly distribute it all over her hair, then comb out. Next, I'll go in with this rat tape comb and start parting a slant line. This line will be a guide in parting the rest of her hair. Just in case you are wondering how Adobe's hair grew overnight, it didn't. Okay, this is an old video. If you look well, you will see that Adobe is way much younger in this video than she is right now. She was around 2 years old to be precise. So the reason I'm bringing this video back here is because we are in the season of back to school hairstyles, and this hairstyle is very okay for back to school considering it's not overly dramatic, it's quite simple, and yeah. So back to the hair, you guys just saw what I did now. I parted another slant line over here, making, giving us 3 parted hairs, if that makes sense. And we're gonna start working with this. So with my shine and jam, I'll go in to apply on her hair just to slick it out, to make the pattern more visible and clear. I hope you guys are noticing the difference in Adobe's composure in this video versus now that she's 3 years old. I hope you guys are noticing the difference. Like, she was really all over the place in this video. So in case you are expecting your 1-year-old or 2 years old to be very composed when you are making their hair, please abort that mission. It won't work. Okay, you just have to work your way around them, and you should also allow kids to be kids. So now the lines of these 3 parted hairs are now cleaned out. I went in ahead to start parting in between them again. I started with this middle one. I think I parted this middle one into 3. So this is the first one. Of course, I made sure the lines are cleaned out. I went on ahead to comb it out, brush in the hairs, then put into a rubber band. I repeated the same thing for the remaining 2 in this middle line. For this one, I parted into 2. I slicked out the line, then put both of them into rubber bands. So after I was done putting these 2 into rubber band, I put the remaining parted hair at the back into just 1 rubber band. Okay, and that is it, which left us with a total of 6 parted hair. So guys, for each of the parted hair or section hair, I braided 3 on each of them. I made 3 braidings on each of them, and this is the last one. So I will show you guys how I did the rest so far. So as you guys are seeing right now, I am parting it. I parted it into 3, and I took my braiding extensions, and I will go ahead and start braiding one of them. So you guys are seeing the quantity of the braiding extension that I'm using, not too much, not too small, just and also for the length of the braiding extension, I think it depends on you. It depends on the length you want to go for. I am going for an average length, so I will just keep braiding till I get to my desired length, using the already braided ones as a guide, and then I will go ahead to tie with a rubber band. I will repeat the same process for this next one. I will just slow this one down so you guys will understand the process or the braiding process better. So just watch. I won't be saying much, just watch and see what I am doing for yourself. So finally, I am done with this part. Next, we're gonna start accessorizing it, but first for that, we're gonna be adding the beads. You know, I'll be using my crochet needle for beads, even though crochet needle is not bead whatever, it's not yeah, but I will be using it since that's what I had available and I could of course work with it. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm kind of trying to put one color on each of the braids, and after that I'll tie a knot to secure it from falling off. If possible, tie it twice. Next, I'll go ahead to bond the ends just so that the beads don't fall off, and also so the braiding don't unravel. So I will just go ahead and continue with this process on every braids on her hair. Maybe you guys are seeing how this girl cannot just stay in one place. She kept on rotating her neck, turning her neck from east, west, north and south. Oh my god, watching this now while doing this voiceover, it just it just brought back memories. I can remember vividly that on this particular day she wanted to go play with her brother so bad that I was using food to be bribing her. I'll give her this snack, I'll give her that snack, trying to use that to put her in a position. Just like I mentioned in my previous back to school video, that giving them snacks, giving them things to munch on is a helpful tips in keeping them in a place. Well, not completely, not literally, but it did help. So you guys have seen that we have moved past putting the beads. Now I am just putting this decorative accessory, whatever, anything you like, you can call it. But this part is really not necessary. You can skip it, but I mean, why not? If you can, why not? And after putting all those accessories, I went in ahead to brush in her edges just to slick down everything, just for everything to be well laid and looking nice. And like I told you all, she wanted to go play with her brother so badly, but mommy wasn't allowing her. So as you can see, she is frowning, like she was literally frowning. But tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Will you be trying it on your little one? See how my baby girl is popping, see how the hair is popping, see all the colors on her hair. I feel like it looks so good, and I would definitely try this style on her again when her hair is long enough. So we've come to the end of this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this video if you can, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.